Hello everyone. I would like to start my video with an apology. I probably should have showed the results of the project before the hard work we have done. I apologize for the late information because you might be wondering what makes this device valuable and worth the effort. Apologies aside, here is a performance comparison between our DIY speedometer and our well-established one. Right. Another speed limit of the street is 140, so we'll go up to 140 kilometers. We'll see. Let's do the comparison now. Okay. There we go. I guess that's enough. I don't want to go to 140. Let's brake. Alright. So we're braking down and brake to the stop or to a stop. Alright, so thanks for watching and enjoy the device.